Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block customers based on their email address or email domain in Shopify. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the customer email condition. So first, we'll search for customer email in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. Here we can see that the customer email condition is available only in Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one, since the condition is only available in Essential 2. So we must choose the Essential 2, select this rule, to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Customer Email. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. After adding the customer email, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact Match, Domain Match. Exact Match blocks orders only if the customer's email exactly matches the email you entered. Domain Match blocks orders if the customer's email belongs to the specified domain. For example, entering KlinKode.com will block all KlinKode addresses. For this example, we choose Block if Found and select the domain match, then enter the customer email KlinKode.com. If you want to add multiple domains, add a comma after each domain and then enter the next one. This means any order placed using the email KlinKode.com will be blocked from checkout. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "You can't buy this product. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because of the customer's email domain KlinKode.com, which we set on the rule. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's add another domain and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!